I had always been fascinated by stock market, mutual funds, digital gold and digital commodities. In fact, let me say investments. Not just for money, but to satisfy my keen interest. I always tried entering deep into the knowledge ocean of stock markets. My stock market course has been opted by more than 25,000 students, including CAs, doctors, other professionals, businessmen, and even housewives. But later, a new term turned very big buzz in the market. That is Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency on earth. But this is something which is unregulated, no physical substance. Few call it as digital gold, some as invisible money, and others as even scam. Let me tell you, actually these are not cryptocurrency, but crypto asset, as currency can be issued only by the sovereign government. Are you aware? Even Government of India is planning to raise e-rupee, which would be electronic version of Indian currency. But this would be under the control of RBI, unlike Bitcoin and other so-called cryptocurrencies. There might be a question in your mind whether Bitcoin is legal in India. Let me tell you, there is a big difference between being legal in India and being legal tender in India. Bitcoin trading is absolutely legal in India as on date. RBI's ban on it was lifted later by Supreme Court. But it is illegal tender of money. That is, I cannot go to the market, shop for few jeans and t-shirts for me and ask the shopkeeper to take Bitcoin as in consideration, as because this is not a legal tender. But globally in various countries, you will find it that Bitcoin has been accepted as legal tender. So you would say, okay, the game is over as it's not a legal tender. But just to tell you, suppose you would have gone to the same shopkeeper asking for jeans and t-shirt and would have offered Reliance company shares in exchange. Had the shopkeeper accepted? Answer is no, as Reliance company shares are not legal tender. So are we not trading in it? We are trading in it. So what is legal tender? The Indian currencies, the rupee note which contains picture of Bapuji is the legal tender in India. I am talking of say 8 years back when there was no information about Bitcoin. People used to speak about it even without any knowledge. This was a substance which would make you rich very soon. I even tried this Bitcoin by putting just 5,000 rupees, not to make money, but to understand what it is. Actually, I believe that in order to understand anything in depth, you need to practically feel it, rather than just listen about it or to read about it. But I immediately sold it at a loss of 500, as because my objective was to just get an in-depth knowledge, to understand the practicality and to get an overview of the entire process of it. So if you want to master this new money Bitcoin, you can join my class on cryptocurrency.